Hey folks, welcome to another upgrade from Total Coach Solutions, also known as TCSS Industries. This coach, the folks who owned it decided that they didn't want the carpeting anymore. It had seen better days, so we removed the carpeting and put in this beautiful laminate flooring for them. Went all the way to the back of the coach. Took roughly about, probably about 3 days of work altogether. And we did a lot of custom woodwork in the coach to help make it look good. You have to excuse the stuff on the floor there. We haven't finished cleaning it yet. But the customers, Marianne and Bill, have dogs. They got tired of always dealing with carpet issues in their coach. So we went ahead and did something kind of special for them. And we appreciate them allowing us to do the work for them. You can see we did some nice custom woodwork in our cabinet shop here to frame out the front so it looks nice. We definitely want to give them a nice appearance, and coming into a coach means everything. So anyway, if you find this kind of interesting, we're doing a lot more coaches right now. We'll continue to put videos up, and if you're interested in following us, we'd appreciate it. Subscribe, ring the bell. We'll have some pretty cool videos of a dolphin that we're restoring going up. We just got the walls in, the floors in, put in like a race car style chassis for it to strengthen the coach. And we also have a 1934 Ford in the shop that we're currently working on assembling. And we just finished another 2013 Challenger to Barracuda, or I should say CUDA conversion well. So those videos will be up soon. If you have any questions, you can get hold of us. Visit us online at www.tcssind, stands for Total Coach Solutions and Services.com, tcssind.com, or send us an email at tcssind@gmail.com. So hope you enjoyed it. Hope you get a kick out of this whole thing, because a lot of people, especially I know because I camp, carpets can be tough, especially when we got dogs and kids. And so if you're interested, give us a call. 706-969-4797. We'll be more than happy to show you what we've done. And we have a portfolio up online as well. All right. Thank you all very much. Have a great day. Remember, ring the bell, subscribe. We'll get you more videos as time goes on. Thanks a lot. Have a good one.